Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a pretty sweet Honda I want to show you. It's a 2009 Honda VT750. It's a Honda Shadow Aero. 750cc liquid cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. Set up as a solo bike. Been upgraded with a set of Vance & Hines exhaust. Set of rider floorboards. It's got a detachable windshield up front here with the half tint. Really nice blue and silver paint. Put you a new tire on the front. Thing's got upgraded mirrors. The shaft drive bike. It's got this back here that was probably had something to do with some bags maybe. It's got some scratching here on the fender, right under the edge of the seat there. That's probably where there used to be a passenger seat here. Still has the passenger pegs. We didn't get that passenger pad with it though. It's got a couple little signs around on it. A little tiny peck right there. Maybe, well, that came off. Little tiny spot right here. It's really in nice shape. Bike runs good too. Check the miles and fire it off for you. It's got 13,263 miles. She pops right off. We ran it through the shop, checked it out, made sure everything was in good shape for you. 2009 qualifies for some excellent extended warranties too, so you can get you a 1, 2, or 3 year warranty on it. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team. 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. And you can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.